Morning, 7 o'clock start. Who loves a good 7 o'clock start? Because I don't. I'm not self-employed to start at 7 o'clock. Right, we're going to go get James. We're going to go look at a job quickly. I've told the client I got to be there at 20 past 7, bless her. She said that's fine. So she's going to get up 20 past 7 because we need to get in that car park today so we don't get another bloody ticket. So let me know what you think. That job we just looked at was, so imagine a porch with an overhang. It's got a wooden underside. She's got one light, wants 3 spotlights, so it's 3 spotlights. I know what I'd charge. I want you to have a little game down in the comments what you think, obviously for the electricians out there. So it's 3 spotlights, supply and fit, IP65 bezels underneath there. And then there's a little lighting fault on 2 little extensions they've had done on the back of the house. So the lighting is tripping off, so we've got to sort that out. And then there's 8 spotlights and a dimmer switch needed upstairs. Good access. So again, 8 spotlights, supply and fit, and wire those. I know what I'll charge. I'll let you know what I'm going to put pricing on tomorrow's video. So put your comments down in the box today, and then I will see who's closest to my price. So put your labour, materials, total cost, okay? Right, we're back. Look, we're cutting some 700 trays, 2. Might be 3 actually, mightn't it? 1, 2, 3, depending on how many cables we can get on one. Just cutting it with a jigsaw. James is going to wang the light up with a bit of conduit. The length is actually quite good, isn't it? There's the length. There's the length. Not bad for a guess. Not one tape measure between 2 of us. Look, that'll go on there. Put a light on top. We're going to core drill some holes into that stairwell. Right, James is doing me the light. He's got a light in his eyes now. I've got my trays up, spaced them off with washers. I'm now going to start core drilling my holes out. He's just wiring the little lighting circuit. No, we just had to cut a drill bit down because we lost, or someone stole our pilot bit for keeping that central. So we're now core drilling, got 3 trays up, and then we're going to put some unistrut and tray in the shaft on the other side. Right, 3 down, 3 to go. I'm hoping to get 3 cables through each hole. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We've got 16 cables. And then what we'll do, we'll fire seal these holes up when we're finished. They're there, aren't they? Yeah? 2 screws. Woohoo! Come down, James. Look, we've done 5. We're waiting for the drills to charge. I put 3 lengths of tray on here now. And then what we'll have to do is swoop them in down that hole there because we're not drilling this slab. Oh, James. What's that? Delivery note. Right, look, we finally got all of our 5, 2, 3, 6 holes. 3 cables coming through each. Up, we'll gland them into the bottom of this trunking. We've done our tray the other side. Well, look, there's our holes. They've come out above that lip, so because that's the floor, we can't do nothing with that. We'll loop our armours onto this tray, run straight down, and then they'll loop down a hole down there. That takes us into the ceiling of downstairs, and then we're running our cables in the ceiling. Haven't looked yet, but hoping there's existing tray. We'll just do what we can do above the ceiling. We're going to clean this up, and then we're going to go off, get some zebs, 6 mils, but we'll be back tomorrow. 3 o'clock start, so we can start pulling some armours down and through to the new refrigerators. Because I didn't get any zebs and I didn't want to lose my parking space, we've just fixed through for now. Huh?
Want to turn these main lights on?
Yes, please, mate. Yeah, bring the coat, please. We've just fixed through. We changed most of these for zebs tomorrow. When we start putting some cables on it, I might put another strut in there and a strut in there as well. Right, look, we're away from the job. We got a pallet from the last. What was this from? What was this from? Another one, and then look, we just got the 200 meters of 4mm for the 20 amp radials. Got that, and we're going to try and get this one more pallet in, and then we're going to go and drop James off, and then I'm going to have a shower. Your hair, mate, and you're not even in it. Right, there we go. So tomorrow we got another delivery. We're starting at 3 PM tomorrow, so we can get in the clean. We can get in the clean side. That's when they stop the food prep for the hospital. So we can get in there, get above the ceilings. We got another delivery coming from TLC, some Zebs, and we've got another one from Superlet coming, isolators and stuff. We've got to put 2 isolators above each freezer, and then the aircon guys can connect off of the rotary isolators. And then what else? We've got a 4-core 25mm with 16mm green and yellow coming. What was that, 12 meters?
Yeah.
That's to power our new board off of the old AHU panel, which will eventually be going, but that's nothing to do with us. And I've ordered a Schneider 3-phase 63 amp Type B MCB to go in there. So see you later. We will get some footage tomorrow. Andy will be on camera with his pants on, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.